When people are in the process of installing a widebody kit, they usually use wheel spacers to push the wheels outward, because nobody wants the BMW i3 to look like there are a huge road in the fender. With a widebody kit, the wheels should be wider apart to match the wide fenders. And the wheel spacers are just the items that will do the trick for you. The best solution will always be to get wider, lower offset wheel fitting for the wider fenders. However, some people have a limited budget. Thus, you might have to compromise on second-hand wheels. To make this wheel fit properly, you need wheel spacers. By creating the offset, wheel spacers will solve most of potential rubbing issues. Changing to bigger wheels and tires is an easy way to upgrade the look of your widebody BMW i3. They also improve the appearance. However, there are some problems. If the new wheels and tires are bigger than the OE ones, the tires may rub against the inner wheel well when operating a U-turn or when the suspension bottoms out. To keep the wider wheels and tires functioning correctly, people turn out using wheel spacers. By moving the wheels out, wheel spacers reduce the offset and create more backspace. The most important thing is to choose the right wheel spacers and competently install them for your widebody car. Then you are not going to have any problems. There are various thicknesses of widebody wheel spacers in the BONOSS store. They are made up of high-strength and durable 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy, which helps them to not break into through elements or conditions. The global premium anti-cooling technique effectively reduces brake fade, which is more functional and safer. BONOSS anti-cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat-dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. BONOSS wheel spacers are specifically designed for your BMW i3 configurations. Therefore, installing wheel spacers is the best solution for a widebody vehicle. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.